In this video I'm gonna show you how to place a sky on image in Pscc 2019. Tap on the tool, then move towards On tool. Select the Quick Selection tool. Hit the pencil box symbol, then add the select pixels. Select the minus mode to remove unwanted part. Tap on Brush tool to resize the brush. Then rub on the unwanted part. Select the plus mode to remove pixels on object. Take a small brush size on edges. Hit the arrow to reset. Take a small brush size on edges. Hit the pencil box symbol and select Refine Edge for cropping hair. Tap on Add, then paint at the edges of the hair. Tap on Clear, then rub on the hair. You can choose the brush size. Then hit the tick mark. Cropping a car glass for background change. Hit the pencil box symbol, choose the feather for smooth edges at the crop. Keep at the 4px, then hit tick mark. Again hit the pencil box symbol, then choose the extract for the removing background. Hit plus symbol, then tap on photo layer, then again tap on photo library and choose the background. Hit the tick mark. Tap on the first image background, then swipe down. Tap on the FX, then hit the Gaussian blur. Keep at the 8.1, then hit tick mark. Select the first image, then merge down. Hit the Done, then save to gallery. Choose JPEG for photo, then hit OK. Subscribe for more tutorials. ABHI Creation.